Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the second part of first chapter knowing our numbers of class 6 subject mathematics, and I am Jayprakash. Let's start the class. Now let's have an overview of today's class. So today's first topic is comparing numbers and the second topic is making numbers. So come to the first topic, which is comparing numbers. So in the part 1 we have already discussed about it, that how to compare between the numbers. If you have not watched that video, so please go there, watch that video first, then there you will understand how to compare between the numbers. So now come to exercise, and here question 1 is given, and here we have to find the greatest number among these. So here we have 92, 392, 4456 and 89,742. So how we can compare? It's a simple way. Just count the digits, which number will have more digits, that the number will be greatest. So here in 92 it has 2 digits, 92 it has 3 digits, in 4456 it has 4 digits, and in the number 89,742 it has 5 digits. So no doubt the last number, which is 89,742, has the 5 digits, so it will be the greatest, and here for that it is written as I am the greatest. And now the next is 1902, second is 1920, third is 9201. Means all the numbers that you are looking all have how many digits? They all have same digits, 4 digits. So in this condition, how we can compare? So it's a simple way. Just check the places of the digits. Okay. So now let's check that all. Okay. Here we just here we can see, and now all the numbers have 4 digits. Means in 4 digits means in Indian number system we say that that is 1000. Okay, th. So in 1000 place here is 1. Okay, here is also 1, here is 9, here is also 9, and here is 9. So we can clearly see that these two numbers are not the greatest, cannot be the greatest number. Now between these 3 numbers we have to check out first, second and third. So now in 9201 check the another place, means now we have to check the 100 place, because when we check the 1000 place we found that all the numbers have the same digit, that is 9. So now we have to come to the next place, that is 100 place. So here in 100 place, here we have 2, here we have 0, and here we have 2. So this number 9021, it cannot be the greatest. Now among these two numbers we have to find the greatest. So once again, here is 2 and here is 2 in 100 place, so we can't compare. Go to the next place. Now we have to come to tens place. So in tens place, here we have 0 and here we have 1. So we can clearly say that the last number will be the greatest number. Okay, why? Because we check the places and we found that the greatest digit the last number have. For that it is saying that I am the greatest. Now come to the exercise. Try this. Okay, so question 1 is here. Can you instantly find the greatest and the smallest number in each row? So question 1, here is 382, means 3 digits. We have to instantly find the smallest and greatest. For that, how can we find? Just check the digits, number of the digits in each numbers. So here it has 3 digits, 4 digits, 2 digits, and 5 digits, and last 3 digits. So no doubt the greatest is 59785 because it has 5 digits, and the smallest is 18 because it has 2 digits. And here is the answer, that 59785 is the greatest and 18 is the smallest. Okay, in this way we have to write the answer. So now come to the next one. In question number 2, Here it has 4 digits, here it has 5 digits, 3 digits in 100, in 5000 it has 4 digits, and in 310 it has 3 digits. So the greatest is 89,423. It will be the greatest number, and the smallest will be which one? Here we have two numbers which has 3 digits. First is 100 and second is 310. So check the 100 place. So no doubt here is 1. Okay, so 100 will be the smallest number. Okay, in this way we can find it. Now come to the third number. Instantly we have to find the smallest and greatest. So it has 4 digits, it has 5 digits, it has 3 digits, it has 4 and it has 3. So the greatest is this one, 75284. This is the greatest. Okay, and the smallest, two numbers have same digits, 3 and 3. Here is 111 and here is 450. So no doubt it is 111 will be our smallest number. So in this way we can find the smallest and the greatest number. The fourth number is for your homework. Find the smallest and greatest number, and if you found, then must comment it. Now come to the next question, and for that we have to go bottom side. Now here is another question, and what to do here? Find the greatest and the smallest number. Same question. Okay, let me do some questions. Now here the greatest and smallest we have to find. Okay, let me write here G for greatest and S for smallest for A. Okay, now here is 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 and 4. All the numbers in row A, they have 4 digits. So in this way we can't compare. So what we will do? Now check their thousands place. Thousand place means fourth place. So here is 4, here is 4, here is 4, here is 4. So we can't compare in thousand place. Now check the 100 place, means third place. So here is 5, here is 8, 3 and 4. So it will be the greatest number because 8 is greater than 5, 3 and 4. So now 4, 8, 9, 2 will be our greatest number, and the smallest will be, here is 3 and here is 4. Okay, and here is also we can check 5. So which is smallest in 100 place? Between 5, 8, 3 and 4. These are the 100 places of these numbers. So no doubt 3 is the smallest, and for that 4370 will be the smallest in these numbers. Now come to the second. Okay, B number. We have to find the greatest number here and we have to find the smallest number here. I will write. Now in B number you can see that the number of digits of the all numbers is same. How much is that? 5. All the numbers have 5 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, all the numbers have 5 digits. So what is the next tip that I have given in first part? Yes, now we have to check the places. Okay, so in fifth place, what is the name of the fifth place in Indian number system? Let me tell you: ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So this is the fifth place. What is that? 10,000. So now we have to check their 10,000 places. So all have 1. You can see 1, 1 and 1. So in thousands, according to the 1000 place we can't check. Now come to the in fifth place it is 10,000, and according to 10,000 place we can't compare it. Now come to the only 1000 place. So here is 5, 5, 5 and 5. So according to 1000 place we can't compare. Now come to the next, that is 100 place. So here we have 6, 0, 1 and 8. So among this, which is greatest? Among this means 6 and then 0, 1 and 8. Is something missing? 6, 0, 1 and 8. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 are there. So among these, which is greatest? 8 is greatest. So we will take this number as our greatest number, 15,800. Now here you can see that in 100 place we can easily compare because the digits are different. So 0 is the smallest. So which number we will take? This one, 15073. So in this way we found our greatest and smallest number. So these two are for your homework. Come to the next topic, which is making numbers. So here is question 1. Let's understand it. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. Okay, so using these digits we have to make the greatest and we have to make the smallest 4-digit numbers. So how can we make? For this, before solving the questions, I want to clear that greatest, when you are going to make the greatest number, okay, so you have to choose the greatest digits. And what are the greatest digits? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Means the digits from 0 to 9 you have to write in descending order. And when you are going to make a smallest number, so you have to make 1. You have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means the numbers from 0 to 9 you have to write in ascending order. Okay. So this is the easy way to find the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. So let's understand it and solve some questions. So question number 1 is A, 2874. For better understanding, I have made another page. So here I will write 2, 8 the digits. So 2, 8, 7 and 4. So in the digits column I have written 2874. Now I am going to make the greatest number. So as I have told you, to make greatest number, what I will do? I will just find out the greatest digit among these. So 8 is the greatest digit. So write 8, then write 7, then 4 and then 2. So now it became 8742 according to the Indian number system. And for a smallest number, you have to find the smallest digit. So what is that? That is 2. So write here 2, then greater number is 4, then another greater 7 and then the greatest is 8. It means in ascending order you have to put this all digits. So it is now 2478 according to the Indian number system. Now let's pick out another question. B, 9741. So 974 and here I will write 1. So once again, to find the greatest number, just pick out the greatest digit. So 9741, which is greatest? No doubt it is 9. Then smaller is 7, then smaller 4 and smallest is 1. Okay. Now smallest number we have to make. Okay. So just put the digits, these digits 9741 in ascending order, means 1, then you will write 4, then 7, then 9. Okay. In this way it's a very easy way to find the numbers. Now here 4750. So let me take this one, 4, 7, 5 and 0. Okay. So here we have 0. So one thing I want to clear, that if I am writing 2 and 0, so it will become a 2-digit number and it will read as 20. But if I am writing 0 and 2, it is not a 2-digit number. It is a 1-digit number and we will read it as only 2. Okay. So what happens when we put 0 after a digit and before a digit? You have clearly seen that. Okay. 0 is a very powerful digit. Remember it. Okay. If you will put right side of a digit or of a number, so it gives power. Okay. And 10 times it make it greater. But when you will put 0 on left side of any digit, so there is no value of it. So now come to here, 4750. So we are going to make the greatest number from this. So what is the greatest digit? That is 7. Write here 7. Okay, then another smaller is 5. Write 5. Then 4, and then we have to write 0. Okay, this is the greatest number, 7540. Now among this we have to make smallest number. So as I have told in the previous questions, that find out the smallest digit. So among these 4, 7, 5 and 0, 0 is the smallest, but we can't take it, because when we will write a 0, then 4, then 5, then 7, so it will called a 3-digit number and it will read as 457. So there is no value of 0 here. So what we will do? Another greater number we have to write at first. So that is 4, then use 0. So now it will become 0, then 5, and last here is 7. Okay, in this way we can do it. The second greater number we just written, that was 4. Okay, then use 0. Now it became the smallest number. Okay, so let's take another one for your practice. 5403. 5, 4, 0 and 3. So let me make the smallest digit first. So for smallest, here is 0 is smallest, then what is greater? 3, then 4 and then 5. Okay, so here 0 we will not use at first. Here we will use 3 for the smallest, 3. Then we will use 0, then 4, and at last we will write 5. 3045 it became. In this way we can find the smallest number. And for greatest number, just write the greatest digit here first, 5, then another one 4, then 3, and at last you can write 0. So in this way you can get your greatest, you can make your greatest and smallest number. Now come to the previous page. Now come to question number 2. In question number 2, what we have to do? Let's read it properly. Now make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers by using any 1 digit twice. So we have to make 4-digit number, but here we have in question number A, B, C and D, we have only 3 digits. So 3, 8, 7, 8, so 3 digit, 905, 3 digits. So to make 4-digit number, greatest and smallest 4-digit number, what we have to do? Any one number, any one digit we have to use 2 times. Twice means 2 times. And here is one hint. What is that? Think in each case which digit will you use twice. So it's a hint. So it's very easy. To make greatest number, we have to take the greatest digit 2 times. And in 387 the greatest digit is 8. So we will use 8 2 times. Okay, and to make a smallest digit, the smaller digit that is 3, we will use 2 times for making a smallest number. Let me show you how we can do this. So 387. Okay, 387 was the digits. Now come to the next page. What were the digits? The first one was 3, then 8 and then 7. Okay, so okay, let me write here digits. Okay, so first we are going to make the greatest number. Okay, greatest number. Then we will make a smallest number. Smallest number here. And for that digits will be changed in both conditions. So okay. So 387 we have to write another digit for making 4-digit greatest number. Okay, greatest number of 4-digit and smallest number of 4-digit. So 387. So here it is saying that we have to make greatest number. So which digits we can use twice? So for that we have to take 8. Okay, we can take other digits 3, 7, but here a hint was given that to make the greatest number you can take any one, okay, but we will take 8 because that is the greatest digit among this. So now what is the greatest number? It will be 8 is the greatest. So 2 times we will write 8 and 8. Okay, then we will write 7 and the smallest is 3. Okay, in this way we can make it. Now using these digits you can also write the smallest number. So what will be the smallest number? It will be 3, 7, 8 and 8. Yes, we can take it. If you will use the same digit 3, 8, 7, 8, okay, so you will get this is as your smallest number. But here we will not take these digits. Here we are going to change the digits. So 387 was our basic digits. Now another digits we can use, that will be 3. Why? Because 3 is smaller than 8 and 7. So now make the smallest number. It will be 3, 3, 7 and 8. Okay. 3, 3, the smallest digits these are compared to 8 and 7. Okay. Now come to the next. What was here? 9, 0 and 5. So let's make 9, 0 and 5. How to make greatest and smallest using this. Okay. So let me write the digits first. 9, 0 and 5. So first I am going to make the greatest number. So what I will do, I will take the greatest digit. So which is greatest among 9, 0 and 5? 9 is the greatest. So I will write here 9. Okay. And now to make greatest number of 4 digit, just take greatest digits. So they are 9 and 9. There is a smaller digit, that is 5. Write here 5. And the smallest is 0. So 9950, it will be the greatest number from 9, 0, 5 and 9. And now for the smallest number, 905, these are our basic digits. So now another smallest digit we have to write here. So 0 we can take because 0 is the smallest digit from 9 and 5. So let's make the smallest number. So don't write 0 at first, because when you will write 0 in the first, then you have to write 5 and 9. So it will 59, 2-digit number, not a 4-digit number. So what we have to do, just a little correction we have to do here. The greater number, that is 5, then write 0, 0 and then you can write 9. Okay. So it will be your smallest number, 5009. So in this way you found it. Now come to the next, C and D. So it is for your practice. Do it. Now come to the question number 3. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digits with conditions as given. Means we can't use any digit 2 times. So let's see how we can't use. So here A number is solved already. So come to B number direct. Note the number cannot begin with the digit 0. Why? I have already answered it. Now come to B number. So digit 4 is always at tens place. So here in tens place, okay, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100 and this is 1000 place. So in tens place it is already written 4. Okay, so we can't remove it. So now here we have to write the greatest, we have to make greatest 4-digit number. So it's very easy. For just think one time that for making greatest number you have to write greater number than 4. Okay, so the greatest digit are start from, yeah, it is 9, 8 and 7 and 6, right? And for smallest you can take 1, then 2, then 3 and 4. Yes, so use these digits. So in thousands I will use 9, then in 100 I will use 8, then in tens it is already 4. Then now in ones place what I will write? I will write 9 and 8 I have already used. So what is remaining? 7. So I will write here 7. So 9847, it will be the greatest. Now in smallest, what? So in smallest, use the smallest digit in thousand place. So it will be 1. Okay. Then you can also use 0. So use 0 here, then 4, then you can use 2. Okay, 1, 0, 4 and 2. Then next is digit 9 is always at hundreds place. So okay, 100 place, it is already 9. So now make greatest. So 9 is already used. So what is another number, another digit? Yeah, 8. So we can write 8 here because we are going to make greatest number. So 8, 9, then you can write what? 8, 9, then you can write 7, then 6, because these are greatest digit. Now smallest number we are going to make. So 9 is already here, so you can use 1, then after 1, 0 you can use. Okay, 9 and then 0 and then 2. 1, 9, 0, 2. Clear? Now in the same way, come to the D number. So let's solve it. Number D. Digit 1 is always at 1000 place. It is already in 1000 place. So greatest we are going to make. So 1, then yeah, simply write 987. So 1987. And now make it smallest. So here is already 1. So use 0. Okay. For another smaller. Then you can use 2 and then 3. So in this way we have solved this all question. Some questions are given for your homework. Solve that, and if you found the answer then must comment it. And now it's time to over the class. So let's over it and see you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.